All right, 15/16. All right. Coming off pretty good.
Stop here. Do not remove the back wheel. You do not even have to jack up the motorcycle off the ground.
Hi, welcome to Dave's Corner of the World. Have a great day.
I did. I removed the back wheel. I removed the back brake. There's a couple of spacers I had to keep track of, and I didn't need to. I have already loosened the belt tensioners on both sides. At this point, there's two more things you have to remove. You have to remove this bolt, which takes a 3/4 inch wrench, one on the front, one on the back. This bolt will remove the bottom part of the shock and the back part of the belt guard. Next, you need to remove this small bolt that will remove the front part of the belt guard. The belt guard is completely loose at this point. Simply move it out of the way. You might have to move the shock a little to get the belt over the back sprocket. If you still have original exhaust on your motorcycle, you might have to wiggle the belt behind this bar to get it over the back sprocket. The belt should slide over the front sprocket and the back sprocket. At that point, just button everything back up together and the job will be completed.
Please subscribe, hit the bell to get notified every time I post a new video.